Welcome to Program Management Lifecycle Challenges. After watching this video, you'll be able to define challenges a program manager faces in each program lifecycle phase, and define how to overcome the challenges. The program lifecycle is complex and poses several challenges that a program manager must recognize and overcome. Let's learn about common challenges a program manager faces in each program lifecycle phase and share tips to address and mitigate the risk. First, let's learn about the challenges in the program definition phase. Creating a robust business case that aligns the program with the firm's strategic initiatives and accurately estimates scope, resources, and costs is essential. There is a high risk that the finalized business case may not accurately reflect the program's scope, schedules, budget, and risk considerations. Identify and engage key stakeholders early to gather comprehensive input and validate assumptions. Use historical data and best practices to improve estimates and ensure alignment with strategic goals. Consider using AI tools where necessary. Obtaining the necessary funding and the right sponsorship level to initiate the program is an important success factor in the program definition phase. Clearly articulate the program's value proposition and expected benefits in the business case. Identify and engage a strong program sponsor who can advocate for the program and secure necessary resources. Ensure all key stakeholders have a common understanding of all critical proposed program details. Another key challenge is establishing effective governance structures and assembling a competent team. Ensure you understand governance criteria impacting the program. Define clear governance roles and responsibilities early in the program planning subphase. Ensure the governance framework includes regular reviews and decision points to maintain oversight and control. The program manager must ensure that the program goals align with the organization's strategic objectives. You should involve senior management and key stakeholders in the program formulation process. Also, develop a collaborative relationship with portfolio and other program managers. Ensure you conduct strategic alignment workshops and reviews to ensure that the program objectives support broader organizational goals. Then gain validation and sign off. Lastly, conducting a thorough initial risk assessment to identify potential issues impacting the program is critical. Use a structured risk management framework to identify, evaluate, prioritize, and develop responses to risks. Ensure you develop a risk register, assign risk owners, and involve experienced team members and stakeholders in risk assessment sessions. Next, in the program delivery phase, program managers must maintain active engagement and collaboration among all stakeholders throughout the program. You should identify stakeholders and develop a stakeholder register and engagement plan. Then implement a robust program management communication plan that includes regular updates, feedback loops, and collaborative tools. Facilitate regular stakeholder meetings and workshops to address concerns and foster cooperation. Program managers must manage various program components' scope and ensure their integration into the program is challenging. You will utilize a detailed and flexible program management plan to guide component planning and execution. You must ensure that all program stakeholders approve and accept this plan. Monitor progress closely and adjust plans as necessary to ensure alignment and integration. Continuously monitor program progress and manage changes effectively. Implement a strong change management process that includes impact assessments and approval workflows. Ensure this process is a part of your program management plan. Use performance metrics and regular status reports to track progress and make informed decisions. Allocating and managing resources effectively across multiple program components is difficult. The program manager must ensure that all resource requirements are identified and available when required. Implement a resource management plan that includes resource forecasting, allocation, and tracking. Use resource management software to optimize resource usage and address bottlenecks proactively. Maintain a solid relationship with all functional managers who manage and control your required resources. Lastly, maintaining the quality of deliverables across all program components is critical to program success. Avoid transitioning defective components to stakeholders. Establish a quality management plan that defines quality standards, metrics, and control processes. Ensure this plan defines specific quality assurance and quality control needs. Conduct regular quality audits and reviews to ensure compliance with quality standards. Ensure rigid inspection of final deliverables to identify and correct any potential defects. Finally, let's explore some challenges in the program closure phase. Transitioning final program deliverables and capturing lessons learned can be difficult. Ensure to complete, accept, and transition all deliverables to the appropriate stakeholders and capture lessons learned. Develop a detailed closure plan that outlines transition activities and responsibilities. Conduct formal closure meetings with stakeholders to review and sign off on deliverables. Document lessons learned and best practices for future programs. Properly archiving all program documentation and ensuring effective knowledge management is necessary. Develop a comprehensive documentation and archiving plan that includes document storage, access, and retention guidelines. Use a centralized knowledge management system to store and share lessons learned and best practices. Develop and use Program Lessons Learned Register to provide best practices to all program and project managers. Lastly, provide adequate support and follow-up after the program's closure to ensure sustained benefits. Plan for post-implementation support as part of the closure activities. Establish a support team and define follow-up procedures to address issues after the program's formal closure. In this video, you learned that some of the program lifecycle challenges and mitigation tips to remember are: the finalized business case might not reflect the program's scope, schedules, budget, and risks accurately. Establish effective governance structures and a competent team. Ensure program goals align with organizational objectives. Identify potential issues early using a structured risk management framework. Maintain active stakeholder collaboration. Continuously monitor progress and manage changes effectively. Allocate and manage resources effectively. Archive program documentation and ensure effective knowledge management. And provide adequate support and follow-up to ensure sustained benefits.